Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. Noya here and this is Naturalblackgirlie. In this video I'll be trying out a wig as a quick protective style option for my natural hair. So if you want to see me transform from this to that, then most definitely keep on watching. This video is sponsored by Ali Grace Hair. They sent me this 20-inch human hair lace wig to try out. It came with 2 wig socks, a manual, and of course the hair itself. The hair is very soft, silky, and I didn't experience any shedding at all. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a full lace wig. I'm gonna insert the dimensions somewhere on the screen for you guys. Because of my high forehead, I'm really looking forward to installing this unit. So I have my hair in twists because I don't like cornrows. So I'm going to be using this hack to get it as flat as possible. First, I put my hair in a very low, loose ponytail. Then I pin it up to the center of my hair using bobby pins just like cornrows. It doesn't get as flat, but it works especially for curly wigs. This is my final result after pinning. Wigs are not my go-to, so I didn't have any right tools at home to install this unit, so I had to go to a nearby hair salon to help me out. He started by using gauze to be to slick back my edges, then he put on a wig cap for me and cut my ears out.
Sailing girl, stroke me with your love down while I'm kneeling. Baby gotta go hard, baby gotta go hard when you need my love. I'm telling you it's so hard when you aren't really around. So tell me, baby, if you knew about my feelings. It comes into your place and it stares at night. So question why my eyes are revealing. Cause I wanna hold you more than the ghost I fight. Baby, if you knew about my feelings. Into your place and it stares at night. So question why my eyes are revealing. Cause I wanna hold you more than the ghost I felt.
He just put the wig on my hair and I immediately got a facelift. It looked so gorgeous on me. You can see my excitement. Then he went ahead to cut the lace out. Then he applied some ghost bond. At this point I was so scared because as you could see, this is quite a lot of bond, but he assured me that he won't rip out my edges, so I kind of believed him a little bit.
They call me for a basic future. I miss you and I love you. Coming back.
Please, babe, where'd you go? Don't leave me here, don't leave me.
After the install, he used a hot comb to flatten my roots, then slicked my baby hair and gave me that lifted look.
Hold your hands, caress our night. We're supposed to love the way we are, right in my heart. We're supposed to love the words and calls. Oh my God, just come over now. Baby, if you knew about my feelings, it comes into your place and it stares at night. So question why my eyes are revealing. Cause I wanna hold you more than the...
I really loved the final result so much. My hair was so bouncy and it took the heat quite well.
Making love till our souls touch the ceiling, girl.
However, when I got home, I noticed that my center part wasn't really in the center. Yeah, that sucked. And the curls didn't stay long as much as I wanted to because it didn't use any product to hold the curls. The hair could only hold up as much as it could. So after 2 days I had a shoot, so I decided to go and touch up the wig again to look better. So the lady reparted, they plucked more hair from the center to make the part look more natural. Obviously you can see that she's using better tools. She's using a brush comb with a blow dryer, so my roots got really smooth and flat, but it was so hot at the same time.
Question why my eyes are revealing. Oh, yeah.
She used a heat protector and hair mousse and some other product that I didn't see on my hair before actually coiling it, so the hair held up the curls for very long. I got home and I just got ready for my shoot, packed my bags and my outfit, then I unraveled the hair and just kind of zhuzhed it up a bit to make it look chic and gorgeous, as you could see. I really loved this wig so much. Definitely can't wait to rock it again. The link to it is in my description box and all the information you need about the wig. Also, if you're wondering how my edges were after removing the wig, they were exactly the same way they were before the wig. I used some hair oil on the lace as advised by the first stylist and it came right off. So go ahead and get you a pair of wig for some hot girl summer 22, because as you can see, summer has already started over here for me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.